Good morning, Tanji.
Good morning.
Coffee, please.
Okay. Usually she does coffee, but I guess today I'll make her some coffee. I'm just gonna place it right here. And since I'm too young to have coffee, I think I'm just gonna use my new blender to make some juice.
믹서기.
Yep, and I got this delicious American roast coffee from my coffee maker.
커피 기계.
Coffee 기계. And since I'm kind of hungry because it's the morning, I think I'm gonna eat some deep fried food from my deep fry machine.
튀김기.
튀김기. And in the previous video, if you guys still remember, we covered microwave, which is
전자레인지.
전자레인지, which is kind of a review, so don't forget that. And I'm also gonna make some toast for her because who eats coffee alone? So I'm gonna use my toaster.
토스트기.
토스트기. And this dishwasher is broken, so I think I need to order a new one, but I hope it gets fixed. Anyways, this is my dishwasher.
식기세척기.
식기세척기. And 식기세척기, which is dishwasher, is a very hard word, but once you guys get to know it, you guys will memorize it and it won't be that hard. And since many people in Korea have a rice cooker, I got one too, but it's currently not here because it's being delivered to my house.
밥솥.
Now that I've mentioned papsot, I think I want to eat some delicious rice.